Greetings everyone, welcome to Wealth Creation Investing, and in today's training video, my name is Forex Joe. We're going to talk about the daily report. The daily report covers 22 currency pairs, and that's 44 potential trades, how to read and use the daily report. As we put up this disclaimer, if you've never seen this disclaimer before, please stop the video and review it. Those of you that have been long-term clients know that we have this disclaimer all over our website, so let's continue. But if you are kind of a first-time user of WC videos or a client, then please stop and read the disclaimer before you continue. I pulled a report for Monday evening, May 13th, and we're going to be taking a look at the Euro-US dollar. The daily report I used to do by hand for several years. Then we decided to automate it before I started doing the daily trade plan alerts. The daily report is computer generated and has all of the different ranges and gives you an opportunity to take a look at potential trade recommendations to use in a practice regimen account that will help increase the opportunity for you to participate in trades and in return gain experience under current market conditions. We have what the current price, and taking a look for Monday, May 13th. This was generated as we close the 24-hour period each and every day at 5 o'clock Eastern, 4 o'clock Central. The current price was $29.74. This is the breakout for the monthly channel, the ranges, breakout for the weekly channel, and breakout for the daily channel. Now, you've heard me talk about 2 out of 3 channels or 3 out of 3 channels matching up. You see that there's 2 out of 3 channels here at 2502, and once we get near the 2500 area, this will be of huge significance in taking a look at that channel to try to gain possible swing position trade entries. We have our bias numbers. We cover what's happened the last 5 sessions, and these are our current support and resistance numbers that's updated every 24 hours. The dominant trend has to do with the short-term daily, mid-term weekly, and long-term monthly charts, and these are the 50% areas that add even more credence in getting a confluence of events. Then you take a look at the short-term chart here, and this is the M1, M3, M2, M4 possibilities that you might have of pairs that are staying within ranges. And then we give a plethora of information with a trend report. The trend report covers the last 5 sessions, and we go back for the last 20 sessions, or almost 1 month. And you'll have the open, the high, the low, the close, the overall pips for that session, which was 56, and it closed +4. Now you'll see red and blue sessions. Blue is where it closes above the previous open. Red is where it closes below the previous open. Now when you see this brown, what this means is that it's oscillating in a channel, so you really can't have like an M1, M3, or M2, M4 day, because it's only oscillated in a 56 overall pip channel and 4 pips overall. So anytime that it's 10 pips or less, we put that in brown, so we would be prepared that this pair could be oscillating, consolidating into a certain range before the next breakout, and we put that into consideration for the currency pairs. So we've covered the Euro-US dollar. This is from Monday night, May the 13th. We also have other videos online if you're a current client that will explain this, but those of you that are just now starting out, you can get a ton of information off this for the currency pair that you are stocking or trading, and it gives you specific entries to enter with also take profit 1s and take profit 2 using our special gravy train method. So this is the Euro-US dollar, and let's proceed to the pound dollar. Okay, I've instituted the pound dollar analysis for Monday, May the 13th. This price closed at 52.97. Remember, I do my work each and every day at 5 o'clock Eastern New York time for the previous 24 hours, and I put together the trade plan alerts. As part of the trade plan alerts, we also added this computer-generated daily report, which covers 22 currency pairs with a potential trade buy and sell that might kick in with a potential 44 trades each and every session. The reason that we did this process was that many new traders are inexperienced in trying to find specific entries. So we lay this out all for you and give you ranges to take profit 1 and take profit 2. And that way, using our software, it will actually move. Once you hit take profit 1, and this is 20 pips in this scenario, it'll move your stop loss to break even plus 1 pip and turns it into a zero risk trade. So even if this reverses back, it will take you out at 53.18 and you have no liability after hitting take profit 1. Take profit 2 in this scenario was 53.57 or 40 pips. Once again, we have the monthly, weekly, and daily chart ranges. We're looking for 2 out of 3, 3 out of 3 channels for swing and position traders. And what makes us very unique here at WC Forex is that we are giving you opportunities to participate in the Forex markets utilizing any trading style: scalping, day trading, swing, or position. Now, if you're brand new and you don't understand what this is, I would encourage you to sign up and come to some of our classes, or encourage you to come to some of our videos that we offer, free videos here at Wealth Creation Investing. So as you can see, the last 3 sessions have been in red as we've had a reversal off the 5603. Of course, current clients understand this because we've been talking about this bounce off 5603. It closed at 52.97 here on Monday evening. That's a 300 pip move, ladies and gentlemen. 300 pip move. And as you can see, there's a red, 1 blue, 3 reds. 5 of the last 6 and 3 straight have been red sessions. This is showing that the overall downward trend is continuing from the 170 range. As you can see, it now pops up with the M1, M3, and this is a range using calculations to see what the top and the bottom of the channels will be. And you can institute our support and resistance numbers. You can see the 50% areas for the daily, weekly, and monthly charts, along with any numbers that might match up in this daily, weekly, and monthly charts. It's not that difficult. We keep it simple here at Wealth Creation Investing, and we have found that if you keep it simple and follow the process, you in turn will be well rewarded, ladies and gentlemen, in producing positive trades on a consistent basis by keeping it simple. The biggest downfall for people is usually unrealistic expectations, or they get a little bit of early success and they feel like that they can do it on their own. And I can guarantee you that is a disaster recipe to lose your bankroll, to lose everything that you have. I have been doing this for a decade. I still have a mentor and a coach, and I would suggest that you find a mentor or a coach that's been doing this. My techniques have withstood the test of time. We've tried to keep it as simple as possible, and those who participate are seeing situations to where they're gaining more confidence daily and more positive pips on a consistent basis. So we've covered the euro, US dollar, the pound dollar with the daily report. This daily report is updated each and every day along with the trade plan alerts, and I would encourage everyone using these pairs to institute these trades in a practice regiment demo account until you become experienced and see how to, on a daily basis, increase trades and put it in your position to have positive trades on a consistent basis. Hopefully you've enjoyed this training, and until next time, may all the pips be with you. My name is Forex Joe of Wealth Creation Forex. God